next one, here about this Kirchhoff's second rule, I will give you 4 examples. That means I will explain 4 points about this Kirchhoff's second rule. You can remember as easily these 2 points, these 4 points. It is very important in the after classes. Okay, please just you can remember this one. Okay, first you have to know, you have to understood these 4 points, means you can know what is the loop. Loop is nothing but a circuit. Loop is nothing but a electrical circuit. Suppose in the previous class I told you already. This is what I told there. I told there electrical, this is an electrical circuit. Correct. So electrical circuit is nothing but a loop. Okay, so here you can see here, this is the electric cell, this is the positive terminal, this is the positive terminal of the electric cell. Positive terminal is this, means positive charged particles will move this direction. Positive charged particles is moving in this direction, means what is the direction of the current? Same. So this is the direction of the current. Correct. This is the direction of the current. I hope you previous class I already told how to identify the direction of the current. The direction of the positive charged particles is nothing but a direction of the current. Correct. So this is the positive terminal of the cell. Positive charged particles will move in this direction. So that is the direction of the current. Okay, this is the direction of current. Now you can remember, this is the loop. Loop direction means that is our choice. Loop direction means that is our choice, our wish. Okay, suppose I will start here, I will go this direction. This is my direction. This is loop direction. Loop direction means our wish, that is our consideration. Okay, suppose current, this is the electrical circuit. Okay, current direction is this one. Already current direction is there in that circuit, so we can't change that current direction. Okay, but loop direction is nothing but our direction. Okay, we can consider. Suppose I will start at this point, I will move like this, I will move like this, I will move like this, and I will come back here. So what is the my direction? This one. My direction means loop direction. Okay, loop direction is our consideration, whatever we should take, no problem. Okay, suppose loop direction, I am moving from here to here. What is the loop direction? This one. No, I won't start here. Okay, I will start here. I will move this direction. My starting point is here. From here onwards I am coming to this side. So what is the loop direction? This one, loop direction. Okay, current direction is different, loop direction is different. Current direction means he already will give in that circuit. We no need to change that. We can't change. But loop direction means that is our wish. Loop direction means I will move this direction, means this is the loop direction. Otherwise I will move this direction, means this is the loop direction. Loop direction means that circuit direction. Okay, loop direction means that circuit direction. He won't give in that circuit. We have to keep, we have to make the direction of the circuit, the direction of the loop. Loop is nothing but a circuit. Okay, so here you can understand 2 points. What is that? Direction of the current is different and direction of the loop is different. Direction of the current is nothing but a current direction. Direction of the loop means that is the loop direction, circuit direction, that is in our hand. Okay, suppose one person will start here and moving forward, means that is the loop direction. Otherwise one person is starting here and he is coming back this direction, means what is the loop direction? This direction. Okay, so you can remember the 2 points. Loop direction is different and current direction is different. So okay, so here I will explain, I told you already, I will explain 4 points. Okay, remember these 4 points and listen carefully. First of all, I considered one loop. First point, I considered here one loop. This is the point A and this is the point B. In between this point A and point B, one resistor is there. Resistance R. This current is passing through this. Current is passing through this resistance. Correct. Current is passing through this resistor. Okay, so current direction he already given in the circuit. What is that? Forward. What is the current direction here? Forward. Okay, please remember first one. I am giving the explanation about this one. So what is that? The direction of the current is this one. The direction of the current is same to the direction of the loop. When the direction of the current is equal to the direction of the loop, suppose direction of the current is moving in this direction, already he given in the direction, this arrow mark will indicate the direction of the current. Okay, so direction of the current is same to the direction of the loop. Suppose I am starting here, so I am moving this direction. So what is the loop direction? A to B. Loop direction A to B. Loop direction also A to B. Current direction also A to B. Current direction also A to B. Both are same, no? So already he given in the circuit. What he given? Current direction is moving from A to B. That means forward. Okay. Now what I considered loop direction also A to B. Loop direction means our consideration. Circuit direction. What I considered here, this is also forward only. This is also A to B only. Loop direction also A to B. Current direction he already given in that circuit. What is that? A to B. In this type of cases, when the loop direction is equal to current direction, the voltage across the resistor is positive. Voltage across the resistor is positive. That means we already know current is passing through this resistor. So the product of current into resistor. Current is passing through this resistance. So the product of current and resistor, I into R. According to Ohm's law, I into R is equal to V, correct? V is equal to IR. So here V is equal to IR means what? V only, no? So in the place of IR I am writing V. This voltage is positive in this type of cases. I hope you understood my here. When the loop direction is equal to current direction, the voltage across the resistor is positive. So voltage across the resistor is positive. Voltage across the resistor is positive. This is the positive symbol. So what is that? V is equal to plus IR. I hope you understood. The loop direction is equal to current direction. Voltage across the resistor is positive. V is equal to plus IR. Okay. Next one. This is the first point. Take it. Second one. Now current direction is forward. Current direction is moving A to B. Same. Current direction is moving. This one is second. Current direction is A to B. Okay. Current direction is A to B. Now I am considering the loop direction is from B to A. Loop direction I am considering. Now in this case I am standing here. I am moving this direction. Here I am starting. I am walking this direction. Okay. So this is the loop direction. So loop direction is B to A. Loop direction B to A. Okay. Here direction of the current is moving in this direction. Loop direction is in this direction. So both will be opposite. Direction of current is in forward. Loop direction is in backward. Okay. So the direction of the current is opposite to the direction of the loop. Direction of the current is A to B. Direction of the loop is B to A. So these both are in opposite. when the direction of the current is opposite to the direction of the loop, when the direction of the current is opposite to the direction of the loop, the voltage across the resistor, voltage across the resistor means current is passing through this resistor, so product of current into resistance, voltage is passing through this resistance, so current product of current current is passing through this resistance, so product of current and resistance, this is nothing but a, from Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So V is equal to IR means in the place of IR can I able to write V, so is equal to V. This is nothing but a voltage. So what I am going to tell, the direction of the current is opposite to the direction of the voltage, the direction of the loop. The voltage across the resistance, is negative. Previous case positive, when current direction, loop direction both same. Second case, current direction, loop direction both are in opposite, so voltage here negative. So please here, what is that? Negative. This is minus. Okay, this is the explanation of second point. Okay, now listen. Third point. Here this is the electric cell. So this is the negative terminal of the electric cell and this is the positive terminal of the electric cell. Now here I am considering loop direction. The direction of the loop is forward, A to B. Direction of the loop is A to B. Loop direction A to B. Loop direction is A to B. Okay. You can remember here, when the direction of the loop is moving from negative terminal to positive terminal, when the direction of the loop direction is moving from negative terminal to positive terminal, so when the loop direction is moving from negative terminal to positive terminal of the cell, that time EMF is positive. Please remember this one, it's a very little bit confusing. Loop direction is moving from negative terminal to positive terminal, so what is the EMF? Positive. Easily you can remember. Okay, so when the loop direction is moving from negative terminal to positive terminal, EMF is positive. Same here also. So next one, fourth case. This is the electric cell. Okay. Now here, otherwise you can take like this only. This is the positive and this is the negative. Same here, this is the electric cell. Now again I am considering the loop direction is this direction. When the loop direction is moving from positive side to negative side of the electric cell, when the loop direction is moving from positive side to negative side of the electric cell, that EMF is negative. Just you can remember these 2 points. It's a little bit of, loop direction is negative terminal to positive terminal means EMF is positive. Negative to positive means positive. At the same time here, loop direction is moving positive terminal to negative terminal of the electric cell. Positive to negative terminal of the electric cell means what is the EMF? Negative. Just you can remember these 4 points. Otherwise, next topics you can't understand. So these 4 points is very important. You can remember. Please see once again. I will explain roughly. First point. this is the current direction and this is the loop, sorry, this is the current direction and this is the loop direction. Both are moving in same direction means what is the voltage? Positive. Okay, I is positive. At the same time, current direction and voltage direction both are in opposite means what is the voltage? Negative. Okay, at the same time, loop direction is moving from negative to positive terminal. Loop direction is moving negative terminal to positive terminal means EMF is positive. Loop direction is moving positive, this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal, correct? So loop direction is moving positive terminal to negative terminal, positive side to negative side means EMF of this cell is negative. Okay, EMF of this cell is positive, EMF of this cell is negative. I hope you understood these 4 points. You can't understand means after watching the video please ask, because these 4 points are very important. Okay, thank you.